Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to transcribe your audio messages into text directly on WhatsApp. The best part, you don't need to download any additional apps or software. It's all built right into WhatsApp and it even supports over 30 languages. So, whether you're speaking English or your local language, you can easily transcribe your audio messages. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open up Safari and navigate to the website transcribeme.app. You'll find the link in the description below for quick access. Once you're on the website, scroll down and tap on Add to WhatsApp. This will initiate a chat box powered by AI and ChatGPT. It's incredibly smart and works seamlessly with WhatsApp. Now, tap on Add to WhatsApp and then select Message to start a conversation. You'll notice that it opens a chat with Transcribe Me, a verified account by Meta, ensuring your privacy and security. Feel free to register the conversation by sending a simple hi message. Once you set up the conversation, you're ready to transcribe your audio messages. Simply forward any audio message you receive to the Transcribe Me chat. It's that easy. So, let's try it out live. I've just sent an audio message and now I'll forward it to the Transcribe Me. Within seconds, you'll see the transcription appear in real time right within in the WhatsApp chat. As you can see, the transcription is accurate, even capturing punctuation perfectly. This is all thanks to the advanced technology behind ChatGPT. Transcribing audio messages has never been easier. Keep in mind that the free version allows up to 20 minutes of transcription. If you need more, you can upgrade to the premium package for just around $2. It's a small price to pay for such a useful tool, especially for personal or work-related tasks. Until WhatsApp introduces these features natively, Transcribe Me remains the best option available. It's efficient, reliable, and incredibly user-friendly. Give it a try and see the difference it can make in your daily communication. And that's all. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes transcribing audio messages on WhatsApp a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next video and bye-bye.